Good evening, students. I again welcome you to the Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are doing sums based on similarity of triangles, and today we have taken up sum number 7 of exercise 6.3. See, we are given a figure in which AD and CE in this triangle AD and CE are altitudes and they intersect each other at P. This is the figure given to us. We have to prove four parts of it. We have to prove AEP, triangle AEP, this is the one, is similar to triangle CDP. Then second, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Then third, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. This is the one. And then of course, triangle PDC, this is the one, the smaller one, is similar to triangle BEC. Right? Let's take them up one by one. We know that somehow we can prove them similar if we can have one out of the three criterion, that is either the corresponding sides should be in the same ratio or the corresponding angles should be equal, or the SAS criterion, that is two sides and the included angle. Right? So let's take them one by one. And of course, the AA criterion, that is if two angles are equal, then naturally the third one will be equal. So let us take them one by one. Let's take triangle AEP and triangle CDP first. See, as AD is altitude on this one and CE is altitude on AB, therefore this angle as well as this angle, both the angles are equal, each being 90, and angle APE is equal to angle CPD. They are vertically opposite angles. So in these two triangles we have two angles equal. Therefore by AA criterion of similarity we have triangle APE similar to triangle CPD. Let's take up the second one. The second one we have to prove is triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Triangle ABD we have to prove similar to triangle CBE. CBE. Let's find out. See, when we look at triangle ABD, we have still got one angle equal to 90 degree, and in this triangle also this angle is 90 degree. Then the second case, see, just look here, angle, this is the angle ABD, right? This is the one. This angle ABD and CBE, this angle is common in both the triangles. So again we have got one angle that is 90 degree in both the cases. Just look here, ABD, this is 90, and CBE, this is 90, right? And B is common in both. Therefore by AA criterion triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now let's take up the third one, triangle AEP, this is the one, and triangle ADB. Again we have got this angle AEP as well as ADB. each 90, they are equal, and again ABD. So this is the angle BAD, and PAE. This is the one. This is common in both the triangles. Therefore, again by AA criterion, the two triangles, triangle AEP and triangle ADB, are similar. Now let's take up the fourth one, triangle PDC. This is the one, the smaller one, and triangle BEC. We have got again one angle equal, that is each 90. See, look here, this CEB or BEC as you may call it, and angle PDC, each 90, and then C is common in both the triangles. C features in triangle ECB as well as triangle PCD. It is common in both. Again by AA criterion, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. We have proved all the fourth, and this is what we were to do. Thanks for joining.